Okay, this is the circular measure chapter in Form 4. In Form 4, chapters 8. Okay, here I teach you how to solve this kind of question. First, the question says that diagram 6 show a sector POQ of a circle center O. Okay, means this one POQ and center is O. Okay, point A lies on the OP, mean A actually lies on the line OP, and the point B lies on the line OQ. So point B will lie on the line OQ, and AB is perpendicular to OQ, means AB actually is perpendicular to OQ. Okay, and then given the length of OA is actually X centimeter, and the angle POQ is pi over 6 radians, means actually this angle is pi over 6 radian. Okay, and then one more information here. He say the ratio for OA is 4, OA is 4, and he say OP is 7. OP is 7. Okay, so this is a ratio. Okay, normally this kind of question, few things you have to pay attention on. The first thing he say, the sector POQ of a center O. POQ at the center O means what? Means actually OQ and OP, they are the radius. Can you see actually here have a big circle, and then this one is the radius of the circle. Okay, therefore, okay, I just do a quick remark there. So actually the length of OP will same with the length of OQ, since both of them is also the radius. Okay, so the first thing he asked us to calculate the length of AP. Okay, length of AP is very easy to calculate. Okay, length of AP, okay, because he tell us here the ratio actually is 4, means here actually will be 4, and the whole thing will be 7. He said OP will be 7, mean actually here will be 3. Okay, 7 minus 4, you will get 3. Okay, so okay, this is what we call is a ratio. Okay, it's a ratio means not the real values, the length of OA, means the ratio is 4 and the real values is 8 centimeter, means actually the ratio have to multiply 2 for the real value. So same things is 4 multiple 2 you get 8, and then 3 multiple 2 you will get 6 centimeter at AP. So length of AP is very simple, it's just 6 centimeter. That's all. Okay, and then the second thing, okay, the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, you want to calculate the perimeter of the shaded region, you have to calculate few things. Okay, the first, of course, you have to calculate the length of PQ, and this is sector, so we calculate PQ here. We can use S equal to R theta. Later we apply this formula to calculate PQ. Okay, and then we have to know the length of BQ and the length of AB, because he said perimeter of the shaded region, means the whole thing lah. Okay, in order to get PQ, we have to find the length of OB, and then we use 14 to minus OB, we can get OQ. Okay, so how to get OB here? Very simple. You see a triangle here, you got angle, you got hypotenuse. Actually, you can use cos to get OB. Okay, now the first step, we try to find OB. Okay, so I just draft out the same triangle here. Okay, using trigonometric must has the 90 degree in the triangle, and then given here is pi over 6. Okay, and then here is x centimeter. Okay, here is A, O, and B. Okay, in order to apply sine, cos, tangents, a very important thing is you must change the angle radians to angle. Okay, radian to angle means you have to change this one to angle. So how to change to angle? You have to multiple 180 divide by pi. Okay, after you multiple 180 divide by pi, what you will get is pi and pi I cancel out, 6 and 180 I get 30. Means actually this angle will be 30 angle. Okay, so therefore when I want to get OB, very simple, OB will equal to cos 30. Okay, this is for length OB will equal to cos 30 equal to adjacent over hypotenuse OB over OA. OA here is 8 cm, so over 8. So the length of OB will equal to, okay, so you move the 8 to another side is cos 30 multiple 8. So here will be cos 30 multiple 8. Then you can get the length of OB. Of course, this one we have to use calculator. Okay, so we press cos 30, we will get 0.866 multiple 8. So we use 0.866 multiple 8, we will get 6.928 centimeter for the length OB. Okay, means we will get here is 6.928. So we just mark down here, we will get 6.928. Okay, after that you want to find the length BQ. BQ is very simple, because we know actually this length OP will same with OQ, and then OP we get 14 centimeter, so OQ same is 14 centimeter, so BQ will equal to 14 centimeter minus 6.928 centimeter. So we press calculator, we will get 7.072 centimeter for the length BQ. Okay, so I just write here, here will be 7.072. Okay, because this one is a parameter of the shared region, we have to find AB. We have to find AB, and here we have the triangle. Of course, we can use sine, cos, tangent to find AB. Okay, so obviously, we use sine will be much more easier. Why? Because actually, sine 30 will give us 0.5. So sine is opposite over adjacent. Okay, opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is x centimeter. This one will be AB. So I use sine law to find AB. So sine 30 will equal to AB over x centimeter. Okay, and sine 30 we know is 0.5 will equal to AB divided by 8. So length of AB will equal to 0.5 multiple 8. We got 4 centimeter. So AB is 4 centimeter. Okay, now we got AB, we got BQ, AP also. So now we have to find the arc PQ. Okay, this one we call it arc PQ. Okay, means we have to find the arc PQ. Okay, we just apply the formula. Okay, in order to find arc PQ in circular measure, they have a formula called S equal to R delta. Okay, now the S is PQ. The R here, you will get the R here actually is the 14 centimeter. So R will be 14, and then the angle will be pi/6 radian. Okay, remember when you use this formula, one very important information is that you must change the angle to radian. Okay, you must change this one to radian. You cannot in the angle mode. Okay, so therefore when we press calculator, we will get pi/6 multiple 14. We will get 7.33 centimeter. Okay, for the arc PQ. Means here actually will give us 7.33 centimeters. So I just mark down 7.33. Therefore, he asked us to find the perimeter of the shed region. Okay, so the perimeter of the shed region, we just sums all the perimeter. We just sum. So here will be the perimeter will be 6 plus 7.33 plus 7.072, and then plus again AB. What is AB? 4 centimeter. Okay, so we use calculator, will give us 7.33 plus 10 plus 7.072. We will get 14.402 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the shed region.